Hey there, I'm going to show you something cool today that you can do with Trezu on other sites that maybe you couldn't have done before or with your other actual treasury setups. So, with Trezu, you can actually log into other near properties and use the actual treasury account to create proposals based off of other apps that you might want to use. I'm going to give you the example today of using Rhea Finance. Rhea Finance allows you to actually do some stuff cross chain, including do some borrowing, and so, or even lending. It allows you to then take what you have in your treasury and directly leverage it right here. So, I'm going to show you how this works, and it's actually pretty neat. So, you can see here on the right side, I'm logged into my Trezu demo already, and I'm logged in with my personal account as a member of the demo, but I also have my treasury available. I'm going to, on here on Rhea, I'm going to connect my wallet and select near. I can go down and I can actually select Trezu wallet, which is, again, the Trezu site. We'll say I understand this part. Here is this. Now, this brings up the different treasuries I'm signed in as. I'll select my demo. I am now signed in. And so we're all set. We can see I'm connected. You can see kind of small down here below is my Trezu demo account. Now, I'm here and I can actually now go and either borrow or I can go and I can supply. And so here, let's say I want to supply some USDC. I can go through and I can see here I am, I'm connected already. Uh, I have some USDC available. So I'm going to supply one just for the sake of showing this. And I'll hit supply. And now what this does is doesn't actually move the funds, right? Because this is a treasury. So it's going to now automatically create proposals that then my treasury can go in and actually approve. And this would work if you're using this as your business account. So you're running, payroll or anything else like that, or you're managing funds or whatever you're doing with your money. It doesn't have to necessarily be a DAO. It could be any type of treasury need. It can go in and I can now do this and I hit create proposal and it's going to go in and I will sign it with my normal wallet that I'm logged into with Trezu because that is where the proposal is actually going to generate from. I just hit approve. That's happening off screen. And there was two, so I have to sign two things. There we go. So now it's created number 26 and 27. I'll go over here and I'll refresh this page. There it is. 26 is the storage deposit, and there is the payment to be sent to supply the one USDC. Uh, I am not ready to say this is approved because I have to go get approval from voting members. So I can just close this for now. And this will process over here on the right. Now it does say failed up here because it didn't always go through because we need to have the proposal actually execute over here. And now I can do the same thing even with borrowing as well. So not only do I get to automatically generate proposals through this setup, which is really cool, I can now leverage something like Rhea and actually now do some either both supplying or even borrowing, and which is a really nice way to actually either earn some more on the funds I already have, or if we need to actually borrow for a little bit, we're able to do that as well, and hopefully meet our treasury needs through this app. Thanks for checking us out, and stay tuned for more tips around using Trezu.